This is my daughter Ryan.
I was picking names for my cat.
For your cat?
Well, she has a new stuffed animal cat, and she was picking names for the cat. And if it's a boy, we thought maybe we'd name him Rex.
But I'm against Rex.
Oh, okay. And if it's a girl, what do we decide on? Izzy?
We have an argument every morning on who gets to sit with who. That's exciting.
Okay.
She's 8. Yes, I am.
Why do you like coming here? He had a Mickey Mouse chocolate chip pancake.
And I just learned that we can put whipped cream on my pancakes. She likes pancakes, French toast, and bacon. Ryan has a mustache.
I actually went to high school in this town, and we never really had a place like this when I was younger. And I discovered it with my daughter when she was young. Whenever she would get out of pre-K, we would come here and have lunch together. It was a regular thing, and that's how I met Nellie and everybody else. And kind of like coming to somebody's house to have lunch, because everybody's so nice and we know everybody and all that stuff. So it's always fun for the kids. And this morning, for a treat, we came for Sunday morning breakfast.